All right, so here is our Golen Engine 370 cubic inch LY6 engine. This engine makes about 500 horsepower. We do have a few cam options, so we can mellow it out to like 450. We can get it up to about 530 horse. So there are a few cam options, when you do place the order for this. We're building this engine for a direct fit for Camaro and Corvette. So any Camaro or Corvette that came from the factory with an LS-based engine in it, we can build this engine to be a direct fit with a proper oil pan, proper harmonic balancer. That way you can take this engine, you're able to drop it right in, hook your transmission, your mounts, your headers, all your front accessories, alternator, power steering, air conditioning, everything will bolt right on. You'll be able to drop your harness right on, hook all the sensors up, use your factory ECU. Obviously, you'll need to have it tuned to match the performance of the engine. But that's the idea of this package, is just to be this easy install that you can, get up and running usually in one weekend without any trouble. After that, this engine has got a pretty stout lineup of parts in it. We're using, the GM 6-liter LY6 block, which is just a really strong foundation. From there, we're actually using a brand new GM crankshaft. We're using Scat forged steel I-beam rod. Mahle Motorsports forged piston, all BTR Valvetrain, nice Cloy's billet timing set, Melling high volume pump. And then it features our Golen Engine LS3 CNC-Ported head, which we actually 5-axis CNC port here in-house. It's got all Rev stainless valves, BTR spring kit with titanium retainers. So it's got a good lineup of stuff. Again, the engine will come from oil pan up to intake. This is the factory GM LS3 intake. So it has throttle body, fuel rails, injectors. After that, we run these engines. So we actually do a pretty extensive break-in on each engine. So we'll run it for a few hours. We'll change the oil twice. We'll cut and inspect filters, make sure there's no noises, no leaks, no issues with the engine. Then we'll do sweep testing. So we're actually measuring for horsepower and torque to make sure the engine's performing properly. At the end of that, we'll do a short video for you. So you get a cool little YouTube video of your actual engine running, which will have your name on it. We'll get you a dynograph as well. We can email that, those links to you. Or if you're local, you are welcome to come here in person, see the engine run, and take it home the same day. After that, there is no core charge. So we're selling this engine outright to you. There's no sales tax. It comes with full tech support, also comes with a 1-year warranty. We do have custom options available, so if you're looking for something different on the intake or valve covers or whatnot, just feel free to ask. From there, if you got questions, feel free to call me direct or email me.